Hello everyone. So Microsoft released the Windows 11 Pro Insider Preview, and this is build version 25314, and this is available in the Canary channel. So if you switch to the Dev channel to the Canary channel, you can get this update. But if you decided that you want to move back to the Dev channel, the only way to do so, you will have to wipe out your entire computer and rejoin the Dev channel, and you will have to do a clean install of your Windows computer. So one of the features in the new build is in File Explorer, and this is a sample of what you'll see in File Explorer. You're going to see all these keys like cut, paste, rename. So this is the new File Explorer in this build. So these are the access keys on File Explorer. So I can also access this menu. So I just have to highlight the file, and on the keyboard hold down the Shift key and the F10 key, and I get this menu. Also on top of File Explorer, this is a pizza icon, and this is just a preview. So this pizza icon in File Explorer, it denotes that you are previewing the Windows App SDK version of File Explorer. So you will not see this feature as yet. Also, there will be file recommendations in File Explorer. So this feature will be available to users sign into Windows with a Azure Active Directory account. So files that are recommended will be cloud files associated with that account, either owned by the user or shared with the user. So there's also another feature available in the security section, and to find that, I'll go to settings and I'll type device security. So it's in core isolation. I'll click on this core isolation details, and this is the new feature, local security authority protection. It helps protect user credentials by preventing unsigned drivers and plugins from loading into the local security authority. There's also Narrator Outlook support, and you can read more about it in the Windows blog. And these are some of the changes and improvements here. And this says to increase security in Windows 11, starting with this build, they are disabling the remote mail slot protocol by default. So those are just some of the features that are available from the Canary channel, and it's the build version 25314. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.